Hello guys, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can resize your taskbar. Right, that's what you're going to be looking at in this tutorial. But before you get started, if this is your first time, please consider subscribing and hit the notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a new tutorial. With that being said, let's get started. Now if you come to my taskbar right here, see this, it's like this size, it's small, so yours is probably full size, so you can slice, like resize it so that it can be this size. So I'm going to show you how you can do that. So to do that, again, if you're all, just come to your taskbar right here and then click on setting. Right, so once you're on setting, I want you to come to personalization right here. So once you're on personalization, click on start right here, and then once this open up, so now I want you to turn this on. Right, so if you want it full screen, you can turn this on, and then if you want it to resize it, you turn this off. So if I was to turn this on, you will see, and come to my taskbar, you will see it's now full size, like full screen. Right, but if you don't want that, you want to resize it, you make sure this is turned off. So now if you are to click on here, you will see it's now this size. Right, so perfect. So yeah, that's how you can resize your taskbar. So yeah, I hope you find this video helpful. If you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up before you go, and leave us a comment down below. And if this was your first time, please consider subscribing and hit the notification bell so you get notified every time we upload a new tutorial. So with that being said, that's it for this tutorial. I see you guys in the next one. I'm out. Peace, love, and unity.